So I just wanted to do a clarification on the supernova subject that I did the other day. Just explain it a little bit better and more clearly, okay? So I was talking about the cause of supernovas and whatnot, and so I guess something I kind of have to describe first is highly energized mass, which is sustained both in the Earth's core and the sun is made of it as well, okay? So it's kept there by a bunch of pressure when it comes to the Earth's core and whatnot, and it's saturated in oils and gas and stuff, and that's what kind of keeps it inert and stuff. And when that gas is removed, I argue that makes contact with regular mass and creates, like, for example, an earthquake, an explosion of sorts. And so the sun is saturated in gas from Earth, the gas-powered star theory that I've talked about quite a bit, and that kind of keeps it inert. When you remove the gas, it gets volatile, its attractive forces are increased. Thereby, if you're talking about a supermassive star, it would pull in objects and asteroids. That's why I've talked about it before here on this channel. That's why there's an increase in asteroids. It's part of climate change, increase in meteors and stuff like that. So when you have that mass come in contact with the planet, it creates a supermassive nuclear explosion, otherwise known as a supernova. So I think it's just as simple as that, if I'm forgetting to leave anything out. But ultimately it's due to our actions at decompressing the Earth's core. Because the Earth's core also produces a bunch of gases and whatnot, right? And it provides also a bigger electromagnetic connection with the sun. And therefore, as we weaken that and those electromagnetic connections get less, we're producing less gases. The sun's dimming and losing the gas as well. And we've noticed that from an increase in supermassive coronal holes and sunspots and such like that, right? It's not normal. This isn't a pattern, a cyclical pattern anyway. This is due to us changing the physical parameters of the solar system. So if anyone has any questions on the subject, please feel free to ask. Take care.